Welcome! In this tutorial I am going to show you how to record PC screen using Filmora 11. Launch Filmora 11 and start a new project. Go to the top menu and select File. The drop-down menu will then show Record Media. Hover your mouse over that and you'll see Record PC Screen. Click on it. A new window will appear. Wondershare Screen is written on it. You can adjust the size of the frame you want to record here. Enter your desired dimension to change the recording size in the width and height fields. To capture the whole screen, you can leave it on full screen. Or you can select Custom. Grab the handles on the corners or sides and customize it for the browser or screen you want to capture. You can click Target to target a window. There's even more. You have the option of recording audio or not, and the device from which you want to record it. If you intend to show an on-screen tutorial, then you'd like to know where your mouse is clicking. You can do so by going to Settings, as well as enabling mouse click in audio. Once you've chosen your settings, it's time to start recording. When you press the red button, you'll see a countdown. You are now screen recording. To stop the recording, press F9. A video file will be created from your screen capture in the screen capture folder of Filmora 11 and can be found in your Filmora 11 media panel. Simply drag your screen capture to the timeline and begin editing.